Hi, I'm Sally. I'm a children's diabetes nurse at the University Hospital of Wales in Cardiff. I'm going to show you how to use another one of the SEREN resources for children under the age of 7. This is the SEREN Sky Mat. We have a balloon and a submarine, and they can both be used to demonstrate the causes and what happens when the blood sugar goes above 7 or below 4. With the balloon going above 7, you can demonstrate using the food cards and the insulin card that sometimes if you have not enough insulin and a lot of sugary food, then the blood sugar may go up above 7. And we don't want it to stay up there, way up into space, because we prefer balloons to come down most of the time into the nice blue sky. So you can then demonstrate that giving extra insulin will help to bring that balloon back down into the blue sky. With the submarine, you can use it to demonstrate what happens when the blood sugar goes below 4. So you could use the activity cards to show that sometimes activity may cause the blood to go below 4, so football in this case, and that you then need to treat that with glucose. So we need the blood sugar to be above 4, and submarines don't stay under the water all the time. They need to come up to the surface for air and for fuel, and we're using the submarine as well as the balloon to demonstrate that we'd like the blood sugar to be between 4 and 7 most of the time, because that's our target.